Safeguarding intellectual property, the impact of ISF filing on IPR protection. Welcome to our channel, where we provide valuable insights into customs brokerage, customs bonds, and international trade. In this video, we will discuss the specific importer security filing (ISF) requirements for goods subject to financial regulations or sanctions. Join us as we explore the key considerations and obligations importers must be aware of when filing ISF for such goods. Compliance with financial regulations and sanctions is crucial for international trade, national security, and adherence to international law. Failure to comply with these regulations can result in significant legal and financial consequences. Importers must identify if their goods are subject to financial regulations or sanctions. These regulations may involve restrictions or licensing requirements on specific countries, entities, or individuals due to political, economic, or security considerations. Importers should conduct thorough research to understand the financial regulations and sanctions applicable to their goods. Stay informed about updates, changes, or additions to these regulations through official government sources, legal counsel, or compliance experts. Certain goods subject to financial regulations or sanctions may require specific licenses or authorizations for importation. Importers must ensure they possess the necessary licenses or approvals before filing the ISF. When filing the ISF, accurately report any licenses, permits, or authorizations required for the importation of goods subject to financial regulations or sanctions. Timely reporting ensures compliance with import requirements and enables customs authorities to verify the legitimacy of the import. Maintain comprehensive records of all licensing-related documentation and communications regarding the importation of goods subject to financial regulations or sanctions. This includes copies of licenses, authorizations, supporting documentation, and any correspondence with relevant authorities. Work closely with financial institutions, legal counsel, and compliance experts experienced in financial regulations and sanctions. Their assistance can help ensure compliance, facilitating the accurate reporting of necessary information during the ISF filing process. Conduct thorough risk assessments and due diligence to identify potential exposure to sanctions or financial regulations. Implement robust internal procedures to monitor and identify any changes that may affect compliance requirements. Report any applicable regulatory notifications or requirements relevant to goods subject to financial regulations or sanctions. Compliance obligations may include reporting the importation of specific goods, transactions involving designated entities, or compliance with specific trade finance regulations. Engaging the services of a licensed customs broker specializing in financial regulations and sanctions is highly recommended. Customs brokers possess expertise in navigating complex import regulations and can provide guidance on legal requirements and compliance obligations. Actively engage with customs authorities, regulatory bodies, and other relevant government agencies to ensure compliance with financial regulations and sanctions. This collaboration helps facilitate the accurate and efficient filing of the ISF and promotes compliance with import requirements. Regularly monitor updates to financial regulations and sanctions programs to ensure ongoing compliance. Implement internal processes to improve compliance, including monitoring and reviewing changes in regulatory requirements and maintaining open communication with relevant stakeholders. Thank you for joining us in exploring the ISF filing requirements for goods subject to financial regulations or sanctions. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos on customs brokerage, customs bonds, and international trade. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos. Thank you, and have a great day.